guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a L'Oreal review video. So I was actually sent some products by L'Oreal. I am part of the L'Oreal Star program and I do get sent some products, and I was lucky enough to receive this amazing box from L'Oreal. So this is what I was sent. It is the Collagen Plus Lifter range from them. So actually I already have a few products from this range already before they sent it to me, and I've actually been using some of them for a few months. So it's actually a really good point to review these products because I have actually been testing some of them for a few months anyway. So yeah, this week I was sent this box. This is the Collagen Plus Lifter range. It is a shampoo, conditioner and a spray for volume for your hair. So this is specifically for thin, fine, flat hair, which actually I have. So my hair type is very thin, fine. I do get a bit of hair loss, completely lacking in volume, completely. My scalp is quite greasy as well. I do have to wash my hair every single day. I know some people say, don't wash your hair every single day. I know my hairdresser told me don't wash it every day. I did try going a few days without washing and it was just gross. I hated it. So I just wash my hair every day now. But my hair completely lacks volume and lift. So when I saw this range come out, I actually bought some of the products myself. So I bought the shampoo. As you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, this is actually half empty because I've been using it for a while anyway. And I also bought the Lifter Volume Spray. Now I've actually only used this once though. So yeah. So this box was sent to me to test out and review for you guys. So that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get into the products. So let's get into some of the claims and ingredients of these products. So these products claim to give you instant volume lift and visibly fuller hair. It's powered with collagen peptides, which is a popular skincare active now scientifically proven to act on hair. So we have like collagen for your face, same for your hair. So it's clinically proven. So this claims to give you up to 75% more volume. Huge claims. And it also says 2 times softer hair with long-lasting fragrance up to 72 hours. So those are the claims for the shampoo and conditioner, I think. So like I said, they have these collagen peptides, which are clinically proven to lift your hair, lift at the roots, give you that volume look. So that's what these products have. It says about the shampoo, our volumizing shampoo creates an instant volume injection on the roots, lengths and tips, clinically proven to lift roots for up to 80% more volume with no way down for 72 hours. Our collagen peptide is scientifically proven to increase root lift for a routine that creates fiber body and volumizes hair. So that's what the shampoo says. The conditioner is a fiber densifying conditioner. Our fiber densifying conditioner, enriched with thickening fibers, increases hair volume by up to 80% with no way down for up to 72 hours. Hair is shinier and up to 2 times softer with a long-lasting fragrance. And then the spray, the Big Hair Day Refreshing Volume Spray. Our refreshing volume spray lifts roots in 3 seconds. Hair looks cleaner for up to 48 hours and remains feeling hydrated for visibly more shine and suppleness. Up to 72-hour long-lasting fragrance, natural touch and feel, and no visible residue. So last night in the shower, I did the shampoo and conditioner routine. I will insert that video now for you. So let's get into my thoughts. So starting with the shampoo, like I said, I've been using this for probably about 3, maybe 4 weeks now, roughly around about that time. I've been using it not every day, but most days within that time period. And as you can see, there's less than half of it left. So I'm glad that I've got a backup. So the reason I actually bought this was because, like I said, I have very fine, flat, thin hair, so I tend to reach for more volume shampoos anyway, and I hadn't tried this one. Obviously it was new out, so I bought this. It's actually really affordable as well. I have noticed volume in my hair. I wouldn't say it's significant, but I have noticed my hair looking more volumized since using this. It also smells amazing. I love the smell of it, and I love the texture and the feel of it as well. It feels really nice on my hair. It makes my hair, like it says, smell nice for up to 72 hours. So I actually really like that about this shampoo. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, my hair is nice and soft and supple today. It's nice and clean, and my hair is very flat and fine, but it does have a slight little bit of lift. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, so I have very flat hair. Moving on to the conditioner. So I only used this for the first time last night. I actually really liked it. Again, smelt amazing. Love the smell on the products in this range. They are gorgeous. So again, I really like this. I only actually condition my hair once a week. Due to it being quite greasy and oily, my hair, I genuinely only condition about once a week. So I actually don't go through that many conditioners. And I'm actually not fussy with a conditioner, so I'll kind of take any conditioner. But the fact that this is a volume lifting conditioner with these fiber densifying particles, I'm actually excited about that. So I can't give an honest, like, full in-depth review on this product because I've only used it for the first time last night, but I actually really liked it, and so far so good. Again, really affordable too. Also, love the purple packaging. Like, love how they're all matching in this purple packaging. That screams like Justin Bieber to me. His favourite colour is purple. If you know, you know. So I like the conditioner so far too. Now the Big Hair Day Refreshing Volume Spray. I have only used this once. Like I said, I already have one. So I'm glad I have a backup. I've only used this once. I only recently got it and I can't remember much about it, but I remember liking it. So we're going to do this live in action today for you. So let's read what the claims are for this product first. So this claims to lift roots in just 3 seconds. It gives your hair a refreshing, clean feeling for up to 48 hours. So I'm assuming, is that like, not a dry shampoo, but it sort of like cleans and refreshes your hair to give you that clean, fresh feeling. And the last one is, it has no residue or crunchiness. I have used a few volume sprays and they leave, it's like a hairspray, and they like leave this crunchy, like horrible feeling. So I don't think this does it. It doesn't claim to, and I don't remember when I put it on, I don't remember it leaving that, which is really good. So yeah, so this says basically, shake before use, spray on the roots of your hair. So like lift your hair up, is shown in the picture. Spray on the roots from about 15 centimeters away. Then massage with your fingers to create volume. Then flip your hair upside down and spray again on the back of your roots. Massage to get the extra volume. So that's the instructions on it. I actually can't remember what this smells like. I haven't used it for a while. Let me smell. Again, it has the same fragrance as the shampoo and conditioners. Really like that scent. It's a really pleasant scent. Okay, so let's apply in real time. So, shake. Going to grab some of my hair, lift it up. How far is 15 centimeters? I don't actually know. Should we do that? Is that too far? Let's just do a little spray. Do I leave it sit? What do I do? Do I leave it? Oh, it's wet at the minute. Hang on. Let's like leave it. Let's leave it dry a second. Let's put some more. Ooh, can you see that lift there? Hang on, it's drying. 1 second. So, oh, there's definitely a lift on this side. I don't know if I did it right on this side. Right, I'm going to do the flipping upside down. I don't think I'm going to get that on camera. So let me just flip. Totally forgot to massage it in. So I'm massaging it in now. No. Look at the volume. Whoa. Wow, I didn't actually realize it was this good. Look at the volume on my hair compared to the start of the video. Real-time results, guys. I didn't even put that much on either. I reckon I could put more on, and we'd get more volume. Like, oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, so now you've had my results. Now you're going to get the final verdict. So this range is actually way better than I thought it would be. I'm going to give my top product, which is obviously this big hairspray. I didn't realize it was this good. I've only used it once. I don't think I massaged it in when I used it. I just flipped my hair upside down and just sprayed. But massaging it in makes all the difference, you guys. You have to massage it in. It makes the difference. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I cannot fault this spray. It's also affordable too. This is the best volumizing hairspray for lift in your hair, in my opinion. I really like it. 10 out of 10. Love. Okay, the shampoo. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. Again, an amazing product. Really like it. As you can see, it's half full. I wouldn't be using a product that I didn't like. I've been using it for months. Real honest reviews. So, love. Conditioner. Hard for me to rate this properly. I'm going to give it an 8 because I've only used it once. But I'm going to give it an 8 because I don't use conditioners very much, but still an amazing conditioner. Love it. So the products in this range basically are amazing. I would definitely go out and repurchase these products myself again. Obviously, I've been using some of them already. I would have bought them. I did buy them, whether they were sent to me or not. So that makes no difference on my honest review and my honest opinion. I genuinely do like these products. You saw the genuine reaction. You saw the live application of that hairspray as well. So you saw that I genuinely loved it and it genuinely did make a difference to my hair. So yeah, amazing. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you are looking for some volumizing hair products, if you have fine flat hair like me, I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.